Under the initiatives of Karbi Students Association, Dillai Head Branch Free Coaching Center was launched on 13th of November at Dillai Youth Club. It was sponsored by Harlong B. Ingling social activists. On 13th of November, Karbi Students Association, Dillai Head Branch initiated free coaching classes on specialized subjects like science, mathematics and English for Matric examination candidates. The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Bikram Kro, President of KSA Dillai Head Branch. Joy Singh Timung, retired teacher, attended as the chief guest of the event and took the honor to inaugurate the free coaching center. Nobin Rongpi, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee, Hundor Bey, SDB, Bhagya Teron, Ahan Teron, Headmaster of Dillai Government ME School, Vidya Singh Ingling, President of Dillai Youth Club, Rani Timungpi, President of KSA Dillai Branch, attended as the guest of the event. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dillai for Karbi Anglong Live.